Yeah.
Why they follow us now?
Allow him. If he's not going, I'm not going.
This one a bad boy. Very
Just
stubborn
allow
idiot.
him. Just allow him. Let's go. Yes.
Ambanza. Your father. We'll just go this shop. Baby.
My love.
Fine girl. Hey, Jesus. You know something? You ain't the see now. I feel catch. I feel go Sambisa for yourself.
Really?
And now.
Hey, thank God none of my sisters were captured.
Babe, do you know what? And again, do you know something? You know that David and Goliath now? I go fit, go fight Goliath for you for Bible.
Hey, my love, you are strong like this.
I know.
This
idiot gave you I said, did you see him, babe? Me as you see because of the love I have for you. See how you go fine, you go vino. Don't worry, do you know what? And do you know say Randy Otto where did that wrestling? I feel kill him for you. I tell you. Really? I'm telling you.
my love, you are strong though. I don't know you are this strong.
You don't know now. How many again? Where can you give one? Do you know something? Again, my father, if you sell my father, come give you buy the charge card. Just buy the charge card.
You love me this much.
And now I'll go just sell our you go just buy the charge card.
My love. Can you do anything for me?
Baby, anything. And
Are you
just
serious?
Say it.
Are you serious?
No, now, I told you.
Yeah, I want you to swim.
Swim. Please swim. Don't worry. Confirm, I'll do that for you.
Okay, thank you.
It's a black couch and you got no view. Oh, you want me to bless my heart.
Hey, my dear.
Are you sure you can do anything for us?
You did ask anything for this world. If I don't do it, call me the manza.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Okay, I don't want you to go to Sambisa.
You don't want me to go to Sambisa?
No, I don't want you to tell your father to buy the charge card for me.
You don't want me to say my father?
No.
Wait till you want. Tell me.
I want you to swim.
Babe, swimming. Why swimming?
I just want you to go into the water. Oh, you don't know how to swim.
No, I don't know how to swim. Babe, I don't know how to swim.
Babe, but last week I saw you swimming.
Babe, why swimming? Or
Just swim. Are you going to swim or not?
Tell him now. You said you swim. Babe, swim.
Yes, just swim. Oh, don't you want him to be happy?
Babe, I will swim with my trouser.
Have you ever seen somebody swim with trouser?
Well,
come on, babe. How far?
babe, if you insisted that I have to swim.
Jesus, my boxer. We do 6 weeks and no wash am. Oh boy.
Swim. Swim.
Swim!
I go swim.
We'll do them again.
Links on the mix.
We go do them again. Thank you very much for watching Mr. 007 Laugh Matter. I hope you enjoy it. What I want to say, just a thought. I beg Nigeria guys, why una know they wash una boxer I beg, Me and you know say una boxer dirty. As cameraman you too, maybe your boxer too dirty or waka. No be una I beg na the cameraman. So stay tuned next Saturday.
Yo.
Hey,
007
nigga. Go do am again.
Yeah, we supposed to do it again. Yo. Alright, see you
It's
next
boxer
Saturday.
too. You know they wash your boxer.
Yo,
Into
father.
one
Yo.
dirty.